cart is full of plastic skeletons and elaborate costumes, and suddenly a $500 gift card offer pops up right when you need it most. It feels like a lucky break. You see a website called GarGifted and it looks clean and professional. The promise is bold. They say you can grab a massive credit for that famous Halloween store just by finishing a few quick tasks. It sounds like a dream for anyone planning a legendary party. But before you start clicking, we need to talk about the reality of these offers. The internet is full of these shiny carrots on sticks. This site claims the process is simple. Click a button, do a few deals, get your money. It sounds almost too easy. That is the first major red flag. When you see a high value reward for very little effort, it is usually a lead generation trap. They are not giving away money out of the goodness of their hearts. They are harvesting your information. Think about the steps they ask you to take. They want you to download apps. They want you to fill out long surveys. They want you to sign up for trials that require a credit card. Every single one of those actions makes money for the website owner. You are the one doing the work, but they are the ones getting paid. The most frustrating part is that the finish line keeps moving. You might finish 3 deals and then find out you need to do 5 more. Or you might find out the deals you did do not count for some technical reason. It is an endless loop designed to keep you clicking. I spent time digging into this specific domain and the results are thin. There is no real company history here. There is no transparent list of who owns the site or where they are located. You cannot find a phone number for a real human being. All you see is a slick interface and a big promise. Even a secure connection icon in your browser can be misleading. That little lock symbol only means the data is encrypted during transit. It does not mean the website itself is legitimate or safe. Plenty of predatory sites use standard security features to look official. Independent experts have flagged similar domains for suspicious behavior in the past. These sites often pop up for a few months and then vanish once people catch on. If you give them your email or your phone number, you are opening the door to endless spam. You might even find your data sold to third-party marketing firms. My best advice is to step back. Do not provide your sensitive personal information. Do not hand over your payment details for a shipping fee or a trial. Do not install unknown software on your phone or computer. The risk to your digital privacy is far higher than the chance of actually getting that gift card. Always read the fine print before you commit to anything online. If you found this offer through a social media ad, be even more careful. Scammers love using targeted ads to find people who are looking for a bargain. Stay sharp and protect your data. Real rewards usually come from the official brand websites, not from random third-party domains with no reputation. You deserve to have a great holiday without being a target for data harvesters. Spend your time browsing for costumes, not filling out endless forms for a reward that might never arrive. Keep your wallet in your pocket and your information close to your chest. Trust your instincts when something feels off. There's no such thing as a free lunch, especially when that lunch is $500 worth of spooky decorations. Be smart out there.